In this video, I will show you how to upload widescreen video on TikTok for full screen mode. For this, first open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're on the main feed, click on the plus icon at the bottom center to start uploading or recording a new video. To upload a widescreen video, click on the gallery icon and this will take you to your phone's gallery where you can select your widescreen video. And once you select your video, TikTok will automatically crop it into the standard vertical format. However, you can make sure the video stays in widescreen or landscape by using the full screen mode. You may need to pinch to zoom in or out to adjust how the video is framed. After adjusting the video to your desired format, click on Next. On the next screen, you can add effects, text or sticker to enhance your video. You can also trim or edit it, but be mindful that any adjustment might affect how the video looks in widescreen mode. And once you're done, click on Next again. Before posting, double check your video's preview to ensure it is in widescreen or full screen mode. The video will show as full screen with the black part on the top and the bottom if viewed vertically.